Hello kids, today onwards let us revise with the first chapter name numbers. In this chapter we have learnt prime numbers, composite number, prime factorization by division method and factor tree method. First, what is the prime number? Prime number is the natural number. Prime number. Okay, prime number. What is the prime number? A prime number is the natural number greater than 1 having only two factors. Only two factors that name 1 and that number itself, and that number itself. Okay, itself is called the prime number. Prime number is the natural number greater than 1. Okay, greater than 1. So greater than 1 having only two factors that namely 1 and the number itself is called the prime number. For example, the factors of 2 equal to 1 multiple by 2. Okay, 1 multiple by 2 and 2 multiple by 1. So factors of 2 equal to 1, 2. Okay, the factors of 2 equal to 1 and 2. So here 2 has only two factors. Okay, two factors that that namely 1 and that number itself. So this is called the prime numbers. And then we are move on to the composite numbers. Composite numbers. Composite numbers. A natural number. Okay, a natural number having more than two factors. More than two factors is called the composite numbers. So only two factors is a prime number. So more than two factors. More than two factors called the composite numbers. Okay, for example, multiples of 15. Okay, multiples of 15. So multiples of 15, 1. So factors. Okay, let us take the factors of 15. So 15 equal to 1 multiple by 15. 1 15s are 15, and then 5 3s are 15. 3 5s are 15. So here the factors of 15s are 1, 3 and 5. Okay, 1, 3 and 5. Okay, so here the 15 has more than two factors. So here 15 has three factors. So if 15 has more than two factors, then it is called the composite numbers. Prime factorization. How to factorize the prime number? Here we are using two methods. The one method is division method. Okay, division method. And another one is factor tree method. Okay, factor tree method. Division method. Here we are using the rules of test of divisibility. Okay, divisibility method. And here factor tree method. And another one method is factor tree method. Here the two methods are very simple. Okay, let us take one example. Prime factorization of 36. Third division method. Okay, so division. So first observe the number even or odd. Okay, first we have to check the number even or odd. 36. Here the number 36. 36 is even or odd? It is absolutely the even number. So even number. Even number. So 36 is absolutely divided by 2. So 2. Okay, the prime number 2. First, and one more thing. First, we have to start with the smallest prime number. Okay, first we have to start with the smallest prime number. So the smallest prime number 2 is divisible by 36. Okay, and then 36 divided by 2 we get 18. Okay, 18. So here 18 is also an even number. So which is also divisible by 2. 18 divided by 2 we get 18 divided by 2. So 9 twos are 18. 9 twos are 18. So here 9. 9 is odd number. Okay, 9 is odd number. So which is not divisible by 2. So and then the next prime number is 3. Okay, 3. So 3. 3 is divisible by 9. So 3 threes are 9. Okay, 3 threes are 9. Here 3 is the prime number which is also divisible by itself. Okay. So 3 divided by 3 we get 1. So the division method, the prime factorization of 36 is equal to prime factorization of 36 equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Okay, 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Okay. Now we are using the factor tree method. So 36, the same number 36. Okay. 36 is the root of the tree. So it is splitted into the two branches. Okay, two branches. So 36, the factors of 36, 18 twos are 36. Okay, 18 twos are 36. So if you are 18, you are 2. Okay, 18 twos are 36. Here 2 is the prime number. Okay, 2 is the prime number. So simply we put circle. Okay, prime numbers. So 2 is the prime number, but 18 is the composite number because 18 has more than 2 factor. Okay, more than 2 factor. So 18 split it into 18. So we get 9 twos are 18. 9 twos are 18. Here also 2 is the prime number, but 9 is a composite number. 9 is the composite number. So 3 threes are 9. Okay, 3 threes are 9. Here 3 is the prime number. Okay, 3 is the prime number. So circle all the prime numbers. So the prime factorization of 36 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. GCF stands for highest common factor. It is also known as GCD, greatest common divisor, GCF, greatest common factor. Okay, let us take one example, HCF. Okay, find the HCF of 40 and 56. Okay, find the HCF 40 and 56. Okay, 40 and 56. Okay, so first, how do we find the HCF? First, we have to find the prime factorization of 40 and 56 and then product the common prime factorization. Find the prime factorization of 40 and 56. So here first 14, using division method. So 40 is the even number, so which is divisible by 2. So 40 divided by 2 we get 20. Okay, 20. 20 also divided by 2. 20 divided by 2 we get 10. 10 is also a even number, so which is divisible by 2. We get 10 divided by 2, 5. Okay, but 5 is a prime number. Okay, 5 is a prime number, so which is also divided by itself. So we get 5 by 5 equal to 1. Okay, 1 is a 1. So the prime factorization of 40 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. Okay, 2 into 2 into 5. 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. Okay, then the prime factorization of 56. 56. So 56 divisible by 2. So we get 28. Okay, 28. 28 is divisible by 2. So 20 divided by 2, it is nothing but 14. So 14 is divisible by 14 divided by 2, we get 7. So 7 is the prime number, so which is divisible by itself. So 7 by 7, 1. Okay, the prime factorization of 56 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. Okay. Now we have to find the common factors of 40 and 56. Here prime factor of 40 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. Prime factor of 56 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. 7. Okay. Now to find the common factor. So here the common factor 2, 2. Okay. So encircle the common factor. It is not common. Okay. So the common factors 2, 2, 2. Okay. So now product the common factors, we get the HCF. So 2 multiple by 2 multiple by 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Okay. So therefore the HCF of 40, 56 equal to 8. Okay. Now let us see about LCM. LCM stands for least common multiples. Least common multiples. Okay. Let us take one example. Okay. Let us first. How do we find the LCM? Okay. First here we have to find the prime factorization of 156 and
124, 156 and 124.
Product the common factor multiple by product the factor that are not common. Okay, till we get the LCM. Okay. Now we have to find the prime factor of 156, 124. Here we are using the division method. So here 156, 124 also the even number. So multiple by 2 we get 78, 62. 78 2s are 156, 62 2s are 124. So here also, which is also divisible by 2. So we get 39, 31. Here 31 is the prime number. Okay, 31 is the prime number, but 39 is the composite number. So which is not divisible by 2, but it is divisible by the next prime number 3. So we get 13, 31. Okay, 13, 31. So here 13 and 31 are prime numbers. So which is divisible by itself. So 13, 1 13s are 13, okay, 31, and then 31, 1, 1. Okay. So the prime factor of of 156, 124 equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 13 into 31. Okay. Here the common factors 2, 2. Okay, common factors. The uncommon factors 3 into 13 into 31. Okay. Now product the common factors and product the uncommon factors to we get the LCM. LCM equal to product the common factor multiplied by product the uncommon factor. So here the common factors are 2 multiple by 2. Okay, 2 multiple by 2 multiple product the uncommon factors are 3 into 13 into 31. Okay, 3 into 13 into 31. Here 2 multiple by 2 equal to 4. So 3 into 13 into 31. 3 into 13 into 31 we get 1209. 1209. So 4 multiple by 1209 equal to 4836. Okay. So the LCM of 156, 124 equal to 4836. Okay. Okay children. Thank you. See you next class.